Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Vortex indicator. We will also touch base real quick on the best Forex trading strategy for beginners. But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Vortex indicator. But before we do, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 44 indicators. And out of those 44 indicators, 14 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now, of course, you need to go back and watch that video to understand the context of how it was able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of these 14 indicators and get out there and start profitably trading the market with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, as I said, I wanted to touch base real quick on the best Forex trading strategy for beginners. So, as I explained, we have tested 44 indicators, and 14 of those indicators have been winners. And you could take any one of those 14 indicators and get out there and start profitably trading the market with them. But a Forex strategy is a little bit more than just taking an indicator and getting out there and using it. There is a lot more that goes into a strategy of Forex trading. And so there is money management, there is the psychology behind the trading. And I have done quite a few videos explaining all the aspects of being a trader and being a new trader, as well as the videos on giving you indicators that worked. And so go back and watch my videos from the beginning, and you will find the money management videos, as well as the psychology behind trading, and the walkthrough of the things that need to be in place for you to be a profitable trader and have a profitable trading strategy. And then, of course, like I said, the 14 profitable indicators. So go back and watch those videos, and you will be well on your way to the best Forex trading strategy for beginners. All right, back to today's indicator. So, unfortunately, I recorded this video just a moment ago, and whenever I did, I forgot to turn on my microphone sound. And so I went through the entire 1 year of testing for the Vortex indicator, and I forgot to put sound on it. So, luckily, the marks for the trades were still on the chart once I realized that. So what I'm going to do is, instead of actually marking out each trade as I go, I am going to replay the chart here, and as I do, we will see the trades popping up on screen, and we will, take a look at those trades real quick. Now, the Vortex indicator itself is a two-line cross indicator. And so as you can see, it has a green line and a red line. It wasn't already set to a green line and a red line. I changed them that way myself. The green line is a positive line, and the red line is a negative line. So as the two lines cross, if the green line is crossing up above, that is a signal to go long. If the red line is crossing up above, that is a signal to go short. And that is how we will be testing it. So let's get on with the testing process. And like I said, you can see the marks here already on the screen. And so that right there will be the first trade signal that we get from the Vortex. And it is a winning trade, as you can see. And we'll just keep replaying them here. And you can see that that was a really good trade that the Vortex pulled out right there. It definitely shot out of there and made a decent move. All right, the next couple of trade signals that we get here, we pick up a losing trade and then another losing trade, unfortunately, as it flip-flops back and forth here. And then we pick up another decent winning trade there. And we follow that up by another decent winning trade right there, as the Vortex really expands. Those are the really decent trades. These little flip-flops back and forth that tend to cause the Vortex, quite a bit of issue. All right, moving on here. The next one is going to be a losing trade right there, as it again did the little flip-flop thing there. And then we have a winning trade coming up right there. All right, so at this point, the Vortex is slightly ahead on the wins and slightly behind on the losses. And so we are going to truck ahead here a little bit more and get closer to the middle of the year, see what the Vortex can give us. All right, so here we are right about the middle of the year, and you can see that the Vortex did this flip-flop deal here and got itself, trapped in a reasonable amount of losing trades. But there's still hope for it. I often have a preconceived idea once I get a few trades, and I start to go, wow, there's no way that this indicator could ever be a winning indicator with the amount of trades that I've already done. But then once you get to the end, you can be rather surprised from time to time to discover that it was actually able to pull out, a winning ratio of wins to losses. So let's keep on going, see what we can get. All right, we are almost at the end of the year now. Don't know if it's going to have, nope, no more trades. So that puts us at the end of the year there. All right, so unfortunately the Vortex did get trapped in these whipsaw moves here that really just chopped down the number of wins that it was able to achieve with a lot of losses. And so let's go ahead and count them off here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So we have 23 trades altogether. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 winning trades. So unfortunately, that is not going to meet the 60% requirement that we have set. And so the Vortex, unfortunately, is going on the no list. It's a shame because it did seem like it was able to achieve some really good moves when this particular pair was actually moving. It's when it hits these choppy ranging areas that it was getting itself whipsawed in and out and in and out. And we've seen this many times from a lot of other indicators. They do really good at calling the moves where action is really taking place, but their downfall is almost always when it hits a ranging market, the indicator just gets annihilated with these choppy in and out, in and out, in and out moves that end up just being a whole bunch of losses. And so that is why I stress and have stressed many times that a range filter is an absolute must in a trading system. You have to have something that can identify when the market is ranging and just kind of flatlining, and when the market is actually taking off with momentum and making a really decent move. Without that, you are going to get yourself chopped into pieces in these ranging markets. We're not trying to call we are not trying to call reversals here, and so a ranging market is an absolute nightmare. We need trend to be able to trade effectively and make really decent money. And so, yeah, this one again falls victim to the fact that it does horrible in a ranging market. And so, like I said, it's going to go on the no list. If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, alright everybody, I will see you on the next video.